But I must ask you, what is it like to have each other as co-hosts? Because, oh my God, like what a joy.
Ask us, don't ask them.
Oh, Mrinalini, would you like to take that?
No, let them answer.
Okay.
It's the most fun. I just want to tell you all that it is the most fun. I think, like I said before, also the BTS is like way more interesting. इतना काटना पड़ा, इतना काटना पड़ा. लेकिन इतना मजा आया था और the kind of stuff that I think we automatically kind of say to each other and around each other is also really, really funny. It's really funny because when I look back on it, I was like, how the hell did we say this? This is really not politically correct. This is truly not politically correct, but so very, very funny. So yeah, it was great fun.
I tease her and I call her Behen on the show, but it's kind of true. We are not friends. We are like sisters. We bicker. We make fun of each other. But we trust each other. We both have each other's back. And I think that's very important to have on a show like this.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you for sharing. Mrinalini, you're going to tell us something more. I think the idea is so exciting, right? Take an idea like Too Much and turn it into something that looks fabulous and also is a wildly entertaining show. So tell us a little bit of, how that came together for you, because I've seen you and at Bani J Asia, just, give us some of the coolest concepts and formats. So talk to us about this one.
No, like I said, Rohini, we were thinking, what to do next in nonfiction. There's so much that's happening. So then we decided we wanted to do a chat show. So we were like, okay, how is this chat show going to be different from every other chat show out there, right? And like I said earlier, every chat show is an extension of a host's personality. And I think the one thing we really wanted to do was we really wanted to put the female gaze onto a chat show and be like, what happens when a woman is asking these questions? Is there kindness? Is there more fun? Are they coming at it from a different angle? What happens in a chat show where two women compel you?
And it's always different. Like
Always.
you have male hosts who will ask you questions,
Yeah.
and you're always like, and men have a way of looking at things and have a way of answering certain things, and women, when they ask the same questions, are a totally different ball game altogether, and you answer them very, very, very differently. Yeah.
100%. Yeah.
And the questions are different because they don't see the world through our perspective. They don't go through life every month, going through some sort of trauma the way we do, right from puberty till, menopause. So I think we have a different way and we brought that to the show.
I agree. I think they've summed it up. I think it's raw, it's unfiltered, it puts the spotlight on the female gaze. It doesn't feel like an intimidating set. It's where you'd come, chill with your friends. They've laughed through it. We've laughed, and we had a great team putting this together in Akriti sitting right there, Niranjan, Janvi, and a whole lot of others who are not here today. But, and I think the one thing that was really nice about the show is that everybody had everyone's backs on the show. We were not doing it for the, it's not like we were trying to connive on an edit or do anything. It was all for, we want to put this out there and how is it going to feel? And I think that's been one of our greatest achievements out of the show, that it's a chat show with two very sassy hosts and ladies who are very, very unapologetic and unfiltered about everything that they say. And we're just very happy to put this into the world. Can't wait.
Well, thank you so much, Mrinalini. I must move to you, Nikhil, because I'm a fan of the unscripted catalog at Prime Video. I think it's amazing. You just had Traitors recently, and Traitors fans in the house, make some noise! Hello, I love that show. So my question to you is that how does Prime Video come up with such engaging and entertaining content again and again in the unscripted space?
I think the genuine answer is that because we don't follow formulas. If you look at Traitors, which became so popular, I'm glad you're a fan of the show.
Thank you.
It's the first of its kind format that's been created for streaming. It's not a format that was created for television and also happens to stream, right? Or the Angry Young Men documentary on the journey of Salim Javed and how brilliant they were. Or even A.P. Dhillon's docu-follow about his rise, or our recent reality show Follow Kar Lo Yaar. So if you look at all of them, we're trying to do something new and break the mold. They don't stick to any formula, and I think that's what's special. This is what we're trying to do for on this show as well. They've spoken about it. This is a format where we're introducing two absolutely original voices, to female hosts, a different kind of gaze. And sometimes you can just feel that this is different and special. That's the feeling that everyone who's seen the idea or seen the promo or even the poster looks at and says, yeah, this one is different from the mold.
Yeah.
And that's what we've been trying to attempt.
Thank you for breaking the mold, poor mold. Let's move over to Kajol and Twinkle. Fun question for you two. Do you, either of you, have any fun pre-shoot rituals? Like, do you care? Like, before you go on set, before starting a show, is there something that you do?
I don't have any fun rituals. I have to tell you that I was super nervous.
Oh.
I was super nervous. So my whole thing with her was, are we okay? Are we okay? Yeah, that was my ritual and it was not fun. Let me tell you that. It was really not fun. I mean, we were fine after we got on set, but before that it was like, are you going to be okay? Are you going to be okay? I was a little like completely nervous about, what was going to happen and all that. So, yeah.
No, I mean, we do have a ritual. We put on our rollers and then we go and bang heads together about who gets to ask the worst questions to the most boring guest. And we divide it up like that. So,
Thank you. Thank you. लेकिन boring guests तो नहीं दिखे यार आपके trailer में. I mean, let me tell you that
We've
this
made
film-
them look good.
You. I love it. I love it. So question on the guests. Most favorite or easiest guest on the show? Total pleasure to talk to. Just was the entertainment you all needed on the show? If you had to pick.
You take this question. I think our most favorite two guests on the show would have to be Salman and Amir. I think they are, no, actually, to be very honest, my favorite guest on the show was Govinda.
Woo!
I have to say that he was so super entertaining. And I mean, not to say that everybody was not nice and whatever, but Govinda's Govinda. Let's just like hands down, like nobody can argue with that. He's a trend, he's an icon, all of it.
Yeah, absolutely. Like everybody has their go-to Govinda dance song, and you think about it right now. While I'm just going to take this to Nikhil and say, when is that episode dropping? Can you give date?
All those questions are directed at me only.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to try another politically correct answer.
Again? Yeah, I mean, you can't confirm or deny, but please.
But it is one of the 8 episodes, let me put it that way. And it's going to be a really fun episode. I've enjoyed seeing the edit. They've done a fantastic job. You've just got a glimpse of what they have to say, but what you'll see in the main episode is even funnier. And also on that episode, as Twinkle was saying, outside of the fun and games, there are also some deeper topics that they touch, which is quite interesting to hear from both of them in their presence. So all in all, a very wholesome episode, and I think everyone will enjoy.
Not giving me the answer, no problem.
The show starts on
25th September, yeah. Thank you so much. Mrinalini, okay, there's always this one question, right? People are always like, lekin alag kya hai? Lekin different kya hai? So here's my question to you. How different was your approach to Too Much, from other talk shows or reality formats?
There's no chemical formula, man. Ye Kajol, Twinkle are only too much and so different. Have you seen 2 other females hosting a chat show without killing each other? I haven't. And they were so good on the show. We've had such a roller coaster doing this, and we still have a few episodes to go. But I think it just came together. We had a great team. We really wanted to make something which, at the end of it felt like a comfort meal. Like it was very wholesome. There was fun and games, there was, chit chat, we were laughing together, lots of jokes, but it was just wholesome. People have talked about their early lives. All your stars have spoken about so many things that you want to hear from them up close and personal. But I think if I had to sum it up, it's just very wholesome. It's that very warm feeling, and that's what sums up the show.
Well, thank you so much. I do want to end by asking each of you ladies, what's the one thing about the other that absolutely cracks you up? Like this thing about Kajol or this thing about Twinkle.
This you have to take now, come on.
I mean, we laugh at the same things, and there's sometimes we laugh, while we are
laugh
in
at
the
the
middle
same
of the
people
show,
also sometimes.
and the guests are staring at us because they think we're laughing at them, which we are sometimes.
Oh my
but
God.
we just start laughing. So I think we have an innate understanding. We find similar things funny. We find each other very funny. I'm her biggest cheerleader, and she's mine, I think.
Yeah, and what's nice about it, I think the crux is what she said and what Mrinalini said, is that we're not competing with each other, which is really nice to see. And that's something that, and it's really nice to experience, you know, where you're not standing up there. There is genuinely, I mean, we're literally building each other up.
Yeah.
And that's wonderful to work with, you know. So yeah, appreciate that.
Every day a lesson in feminism, ladies. Thank you so much for living your feminism.
Anyone?
Hi,
Anyone?
Hi, Kajol. Hi, Twinkle. Naveen this side from E24. I want to ask you, I can see both the Khans in the show, but there is a rumor about Shah
And
Rukh
we are not telling you which one is better or anything like that, huh?
No, this
सवाल
question
है
is
तेरा,
something
अभी
There is
तक
a
रुक जा.
rumor. There is a rumor about Shah Rukh Khan coming on the last episode. Is it
It's a rumor. Confirm it with him. वो आएगा stage पे तो पूछ लेना.
I'll be honest. Shah Rukh came, you know, we asked him questions. He didn't answer anything. He didn't answer anything. Then after some time, I think he wanted to go to the bathroom, so they took him away. And we were quite disappointed. And then we realized we couldn't get his dates, so Mrinalini had got a cardboard cutout of Shah Rukh Khan. We have that in our bloopers. You can watch that. So we have him.
That's a separate channel.
Well, thanks, Naveen, for that question. Let's take the next one.
yeah.
Abir.
Okay.
Hello,
Can you see me?
Mrinalini,
Yeah. Okay,
Mrinalini
I'm not
सवाल-
standing.
Sorry,
तरह-
just give us a second. Sir, just give us a
One
second.
second.
Abira already started. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So I wanted to, you know, every time one of you come together with your spouse and they freak out, and here you two are coming together. First, tell me what did your husband's reaction was that you guys are coming together, because they always freak out at any show. We have seen Akshay, we have seen Ajay, and they will be asking you, calm down, don't talk too much. And here you guys are together, like there's no filter.
So I think we basically came together only to irritate them. So I think it was that, because we were like, no more censorship. It shall not happen again. It's a law. We've passed it.
I mean, my husband always tells me chashma pen lo, which is code word that keep quiet. So now I've told him chashma toot gaya.
Whoa. Thank you, Abira, for that question. Yes, sir.
मृणाली, इस तरह का शो बनाना कितना चैलेंजिंग होता है, क्योंकि इतने सारे गेस्ट को लाइन अप करना, शूटिंग करना, दो इतने बड़े होस्ट हैं, उसके बाद अब जब शो बनकर तैयार है तो क्या कहेंगे, किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस रहा इस शो को लेकर?
It was a diplomatic experience. It was an experience in diplomacy. You can go to the UN now.
नहीं, ये शो का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था. एंड जो चैलेंजेस थे वो हर शो पे होते हैं, इस शो पे भी थे. एंड येस, वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ गेस्ट्स, बट आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रोड्यूसर्स ऑन दिस शो. एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रोड्यूसर 1, एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रोड्यूसर 2, 2 sitting there. So we all together have pulled it through, and we are very excited with what we have to put out there.
शुक्रिया आपके सवाल का. Moving on, our next question. Yes.
Hi. I wanted to ask Nikhil, was it a challenge or was it easy to bring these two ladies together for the platform?
Actually, that's a question from Mrinalini. For me, it was very easy. I asked Mrinalini, can you? And she said yes. So, and then they were there. So, but we were really fortunate because this was an idea, and to actually make it happen is I'm joking, but it's very difficult. But I'm just so glad that both of them have agreed to host it and then do such a fantastic job on the show, and the kind of people who've joined as part of the guest list. Really excited about bringing it to all of you.
And Kajol and Twinkle, I want to ask both of you, like some of these guests are some people you have known for years. So was it something that surprised you as well, something new that you learned about them while they were on the show?
Don't keep looking at me, please.
I'm
I
not
beg
looking
you.
at you. I'm just waiting. I give you a chance so that by the time I can think of a
Thanks
better answer.
so much.
But
You can go first.
I think a lot of things surprised us. First of all, these days when you're talking to your friends, half the time they're scrolling on their phones. So this was a win-win situation. We got their undivided attention and we got paid. So it was fabulous.
Love it. Thank you, Akash. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, I would like to congratulate Amazon team and everyone on the dais. I loved the theme. And of course, this quite unique concept of this show. I would like ask to Kajol and Twinkle, both of you are witty and spoke always to your mind. So how different was this talking to celeb directly on their face?
Nice.
But we are known for saying things to people's faces, which is why we're always in trouble. At least I am. So
No,
I
because
don't
of your
think it was
columns as
very
well.
different.
You write also, to be very honest.
But that's easy. I can edit. When I'm speaking, I don't edit. So I've been in a lot of trouble by the things I've said.
No, I think I got your question completely. मुझे समझ में आया. लेकिन I think we are the kind of people that are pretty much जो हम लोगों से कहते हैं उनके मुंह पे वही मतलब पीठ पीछे इतना करते नहीं हैं. So the way we are with them normally is pretty much what the show is about. So I don't think that they have felt very uncomfortable at any point. Maybe a little uncomfortable, but not too uncomfortable. And we've been pretty much as we are normally with them.
Thank you so much.
We have a philosophy. We don't keep anything in our stomach. We just
इसलिए पेट
throw
flat
up on people. Then they are covered with vomit and we walk on.
Quotable quotes for our friends. Yes, Ravi ji.
हाय काजल, हाय ट्विंकल, दिस इज रवि. मुझे पूछना था कि आप लोग करण जौहर के पॉपुलर शो में जा चुके हैं. उन्होंने कई गेस्ट को बहुत अनकंफर्टेबल किया है, हमेशा मस्ती मस्ती में सवाल पूछकर. हम देख सकते हैं ट्रेलर में करण जौहर भी यहाँ पर आप लोगों के सामने हैं. ऐसा कोई सवाल जिससे करण जौहर अनकंफर्टेबल हुए हों या आप लोगों ने डिसाइड करके उनसे पूछा हो कि अब करण को परेशान करेंगे?
I think Karan is a very very good speaker. Karan बहुत ही मतलब he has done this chat show for so many years that he is a very very good speaker. So हमने कोशिश तो की है उसको थोड़ा सा uncomfortable करने की, but लेकिन he is, I have to say, has won hands down and spoken so very very well.
She's being nice. We trouble him off camera, on camera, and he tries to wiggle his way out of it. I'm not sure if he succeeded.
Thank you, Ravi ji. Let's move on. Any other questions? Yes, ma'am. There's a mic that is with you, I hope.
Yeah, hi, Gopala here. The trailer looks fantastic. I loved it. Nikhil, this question is for you. Is the Kaun Banega Crorepati director Arun Sheshkumar involved in the show in some way?
I think Mrinalini can answer that question.
Yeah.
Yes, he is.
Okay. He is kind of directing the two ladies?
Yes.
Okay. Thanks again. Lovely show.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's move on. Any other questions? किसी को नहीं लेने पंगे basically. They're having a lot of fun. Well, thank you so much, my dear friends from the press. I hope you had a good time. And if we have time, can we take one more
last
question?
please?
Hi.
Hi.
Would you like to stand up?
Yeah, hi. This is Chetna. I wanted to know, Akshay and Ajay को हम देखेंगे एक साथ इस शो में और अगर वो आएंगे तो क्या होगा?
I can only speak and say that there are lots of AKs in this show. Maybe if you're lucky, you'll get the one you want.
Ooh, nice. Thank you so much for your question once again, guys.